I'm Stewie Griffin, and I'm gonna be kicking my dad's ass all day today.
What the hell? Stewie, no, stop! Knock it up! Come on, Stewie. You're acting crazy out there, man.
Talking about earrings and...
Alright. What's up, Twinks? Week 8, bye week. Which means trade deadline. Alright. Now, let's go through the team, see who's been, like, doing shit and doing dick and doing ass. You know what I mean? Still, Geno Smith is still doing bad, and I need to know when Aiden O'Connell is coming back. Where can I go roster? Alright. Alright, roster. Aiden O'Connell needs to come back as soon as he can, which is one more week. Alright, so awesome. Next week, Aiden O'Connell is starting. I do not give a fuck what people think about Geno Smith. Geno Smith has more interceptions than touchdowns. He is getting benched. What needs to happen in real life is going to happen here. And that is Geno Smith getting benched for Aiden O'Connell. Running back. Zamir White is getting traded away for a draft pick. He is useless on his team and is useless in real life. Fullback. Need a fullback. I'm not going to trade for fullback. Biggest trade we're going to do is trade Jacoby Myers away. Before we do, we're going to sign one. And I do not think there's any good ones here. No way. Is that him? Is that the OBJ in the free agency? The OBJ? We're gonna sign OBJ. We're gonna sign OBJ? No, we don't need to sign OBJ. What we need to sign is a veteran who, if someone gets hurt, we could plug him in. Which is OBJ. OBJ is one of my favorite players of all time. Non Raiders, this is my favorite player of all time. What we should first do is check out the players, prospects, because I want to see. I don't think, because we're gonna get a top 5 pick. No, we're gonna get a top 10 pick, and what's gonna happen is that pick is gonna be valued for more. But what I'm thinking is, if we get rid of Geno Smith and sign another QB this offseason, trade away our top 10 pick for a lower pick this year and another pick for next year. That way we have 2 picks next year and draft the quarterback next season. Because there's a lot of talent in this. Alright. There's a lot of talent in this. Look at all the just round ones. Round ones, there's so many. And we can get what we need. We need a wide receiver. There's a lot. There's not a lot, but there's a good amount. I like McDonald because he's what? He's a deep threat. He's a deep threat, and he's got good to great everything. Elite speed, too. So I'm gonna heart this guy. We need a right tackle. We need a right tackle and a left guard. Depending on what pick we get, like we're not gonna draft the left guard because look at all these. Day 3. I mean, there could be one, but we're gonna have to look through them, which is gonna be annoying. And there are no right tackles. Is there any? Okay, all there is left tackles. There's left tackles, few centers, and that's it. I mean, he's ranked 30, and I can't I can't see anything with these. You might not need another edge because Tyree Wilson's doing pretty good. T tackles, there's a good amount. There's a really good amount. But we can't, we don't really have a lot scouted on any of these guys. I like to draft, I want to draft a good linebacker. We might do that next season though. But let's get to the trades. First person we're sending off is Jacoby Myers. And I'm going to send him to a team who needs him. I saw the Bills need him. Yeah, the Bills would be a good team to send him. Because they do not have... Keon Coleman's not being a good receiver. And I don't think we would be able to get a first round pick out of them. Could get David Edwards. Hasn't allowed a sack. Has he not played since 2019? What the fuck? And he's on the 1-year contract with the Bills. He could be a good one. But they don't even want him, so we'll probably might not even do that. The Cardinals would probably be a good place. Because their wide receiver core is Byron Harrison Jr. and Michael Wilson. Yeah, they definitely need him. The Colts, could they use him? Colts don't need him. Nah, they don't need him. They got young receivers. No. I'm not trading him to the Dolphins because fuck. What was I gonna say? Fuck, what was I gonna say? He don't want to go to the Dolphins. That's probably why. Probably send it to the Eagles. Make their receiver core crazy, but I don't think I want to do that. Falcons could be a team. The Niners, I'm not trading him to the Niners. The Giants might work, but they just signed those two. We can send him to the Jets, get more weapons, or we could trade for Garrett Wilson. Get our receiver one right there and there. But we would have to give up a lot, and I don't think I want to do that. Seen rumors of him going back to the Patriots, but I don't think they would want to because I think they're good with Doug. I think they're happy with Douglas and Booty. Even Matt Collins too, and I don't think they would want him back. But what do they have? They have the 14th overall pick, and who do they have O-line? Jared Wilson. They're not gonna want to trade him away. Mike Onway. We could get him. 21 million? Fuck no. Did they just sign him? No. Why is he so expensive? Hasn't allowed a sack. That's good. Fuck, he's expensive though. He's really expensive. Nah, I don't think I'll take that. But another place I saw that's a good spot for him is the Seahawks. Because with the Seahawks, if I trade him to the Seahawks, he's probably not gonna. They'll have a definitely good receiving core, But what I saw is this. We get Tariq Woolen, which is yeah. 26, 6'4", 95 speed. That would be our corner one. He already has 2 picks this season. That would be a crazy trade. Plus, they want to trade him already. And he's still in his rookie contract. Right? I'm assuming. I think so. I don't know. I don't think so. Right? No. No. No, he's on contract now. They just signed him, I think. Oh, did they just sign him? Well, that's not even a bad contract. No, that's a steal. You're asking me. And I want. Oh, fuck me, bro. Did it? It fucking crashed. I can't do anything. Fuck. All right, we're back. Fuck. Need to go to the Seahawks. Cause with the Seahawks, I want to get Tariq Woolen, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Cause I don't think they want. I don't think they want Jacoby Myers. Unless they do. They do. All right, let's start talking. Let's start talking. Cause I'm guessing they want Dylan Parham too. Cause I want to get rid of Dylan Parham. Cause I do not want Dylan Parham anymore. Dylan Parham could kick rocks. Did we just sign him too? They don't even want him. Fuck. I hope we didn't sign him to a contract, big one. No, we didn't. All right, it's his last year off the Fuck. So let's try to get rid of him first. Who needs him? Who? No one wants a 77, 26-year-old. Damn, nobody wants him. Fuck. All right, we're just gonna have to do this manually then. Probably not gonna get a lot from him. They don't want him. They don't need him. They don't need him. They don't need him. I'm not. I could give him to the Broncos. I could. All right, Broncos is an option. Looks like the Bucks need him. I can send him to the Bucks. Yeah, let's send him to the Bucks. What can we get out of these guys? We're not gonna get any of these guys. No. Don't need tight end. Don't need edge. I don't think we're gonna be able to get anything from any of these guys. We get a third? We do get a third. All right. Dylan Parham is out for a 3rd round pick. Awesome. That means we. I mean, it doesn't really mean anything, but now let's try to get. What's his face? Woolen. Cause if we get Woolen, it changes everything. He's their fucking 3rd best player. Oh, fuck, it's gonna be a lot. I mean, we could try that 3rd round pick we just got. Try that. It's gonna be hard. You want Geno Smith back? We don't want him anymore. That's not realistic, though. I don't think we could do that. Zimmer White? They don't even want Zimmer White. Okay, what can I get rid of for Zimmer White? Bet nobody wants him either. No one wants a fucking 73-year-old, 25-year-old. The Jets? Could the Jets take him? Jets probably don't even want him. Lions don't need him. Packers don't need him. They don't need him. They don't need him. Rams don't need him. Nope. Nope. I don't think any of these teams are going to need him. Because Samir White is that bad. I mean, the Titans fucking take him. What can we get from the Titans? Can we get 2-6? Get 2-6 for Zamirbai. Awesome. We got third round pick and 2-6. What could we do with that? Can we throw that all in the trade? Yep. Oh, what? Trade decline. Yep. Alright. We got a fifth for Malcolm Kuntz. We're trading a lot away. We are sellers. We are definitely sellers. But for all that selling, we are going to get Tariq Woolen. Yes. Tariq Woolen is a Raider. Accepted. Done deal. Let's send it to the office and make it official. We acquired a second round pick for next season. We basically traded second round picks and got Tariq Woolen for Jacoby Myers, Atlanta Roberts, a third, a sixth, and a fifth. I fuck with that. I fuck with that. I like that. Fuck yeah. And we are. How many players we got? We have 49 players, so we have to sign a few more people. Royce Noonway. And then we need another right edge. Cleveland Farrell. Fuck you. Yannick Ngakwe we could sign, bring back. That would probably be a good sign. Yeah, let's bring back Ngakwe because he knows the team. He knows all these guys. Yeah, I like that. And we might be good. We don't need another running back. What else should we get? Sign another corner. Oh, linebacker. We need another linebacker. Probably just for depth. There's a 20-year-old rookie. He's pretty fast. I think I like this guy. Yeah, we're gonna sign him. Chris Paul Jr. Is that all we need to sign? We need to sign one more dude. Sign Dan Skipper. Fuck yeah. Alright, new look of the team. Let's do. Fuck, this defense is insane. Alright, let's see how it looks when we do generate best lineup. And. Alright, I like what I'm looking at. Keep Eric Stokes in the slot. Yep, I like it like that. Have him start over Chin. Tomorrow. Fuck. Ooh, we're gonna have Chris Paul start over him because he's not doing anything. Yeah, let's advance to week 9. See how things are looking. And then we're gonna update the lineup. Update the lineup. Joins the Broncos. Damn. Joins the Broncos. Oh, that's it. I think our seed changes too, right? Yep. And O'Connell's back and Lon Johnson's back. Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah, we're 11th now. Alright. So, I don't think we can make any more trades, can we? No, fuck. Oh, we can. It's week 9? I guess so. Alright. So, Gency's still leading by a lot, by fucking 200. Jesus Christ. Upgrade players. So we are starting Aiden O'Connell, and Geno Smith is done for the season. He's getting benched. Gino, you are what? Oh, can I take him off AR IR, right? No injuries. View player card. View in depth chart. Why can I not? Can I take him out of AR? IR? But he's healthy. Can I not take him out? They're both back. Can I not? Okay, what if I go to adjust lineup? No, he doesn't pop up. What the fuck? Can he pick it? No. We'll just stick with Gino, I guess. Yeah, I'll stay that way. No, he's not playing tight end or fullback. I guess we'll put Mostert there. This is not gonna be our receiver core. Thorn's gonna be receiver 1. Yes, it's gonna look like this. Yup. Yup. I don't think so. No, it's not gonna be like that. Right, him there, and then we're gonna have Rogers here. We're gonna have 2 rookies at our guards. I don't know if that's good. I don't know if that's a good idea to have. We're gonna be running right to him, but you know we're just gonna have to stick with it. Now we're gonna have Yannick right here. Yeah, we're gonna keep it like that. Luke could stay. I could stay like this. No, Chris Ball is gonna start. Devin White and Devontae Adams is gonna be like that. Berg, he's a fucking 57 overall. How do you make the team? We're gonna have Porter right here and Stokes at the 3rd. Yep. Yeah, we're gonna have it like that. No, we're gonna have Garner here. Oh, fuck. I guess we're gonna have Chin here. Now Paul Mount the 2nd. Yeah. And then him here. Yeah. Kick return is not gonna be him. It's gonna be Trey Tucker. Kick returner is gonna be Trey Tucker. I don't know why I don't Lauby's there. Kickoff specialist is Daniel Carlson. Yup. 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 Slot. Yes. Jack Beck, Max Crosby, Tyree Wilson. Now Tyree Wilson's gonna get way more playing time now since Malcolm Kuntz is gone. Alright, I think we got everything in order now. So if we go to manage team, just line up. This will be the team going forward for the rest of the season. This is the team. Fuck, this team is fucking ugly. 78 overall. We acquired Tariq Woolen as our corner 1 now. I think as of now, our corner room is 80% set. 80% set. I think if we add like 1 more guy, Porter gets better. This team is gonna be set, or this corner room is gonna be set. It's just this. This is what we gotta get fixed up. We cannot be playing around with this shit. Well, That's gonna be week 9, or that's gonna be week 8. Um, it was pretty. It was not even that long, but I'll probably just gonna keep it this week as a separate episode or a separate video. So I'll catch y'all twinks later. Later.
All the time.
What? What? I want you to sign my ass. And I want to huck a loogie in your face. I want you to autograph my stomach.
Okay, fine, but do me a favor. Don't spit on my friend. Hey, Brian, why don't you mind your own?
You haven't.
Fucking love Family Guy.